Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today our video topic is how to network reset settings and adapter in Windows 11. So the first way is using settings. For this you have to press Windows key plus I. From the left pane, select Network and Internet. Go to the right pane and scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. On the next setting page, you have to go to the right pane and here you can see Network Reset. Click on Network Reset. You will see a statement here. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So yes, you have to click the button Reset Now. A verification dialog will appear asking, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? You just have to click yes. Now you have to close all the ongoing tasks on your computer and wait for a restart. As the system is rebooted, the network reset is performed. Now moving towards way 2, it's through CMD command. For this you have to right click on Start from the taskbar and select Run. Type CMD. Now click on OK. Once you are on command prompt, you have to copy some commands and paste it here and hit the enter key successively. So here are those commands. You will get this in the description box. Let me copy this. Paste it here. Hit the enter key. Now copy another one, paste it here, hit the enter key. Note that while running the CMD command, certain errors might appear, but don't worry, it is absolutely normal thing. At last, click on Start, then take your cursor at the On button and select Restart from the Start menu. Network reset of settings is completed. The next way is through modem. So close the running programs and shut down your PC. Keep in mind that you need to completely shut down, so carefully check the computer may not go to the sleep and then awake or hibernate and resume. Go to your modem or adapter and ensure the light is on. Switch off the power switch in which the router is connected or pull out the plug. After 10 seconds or more, and power on the router and wait for the light to be normal. Remember, after unplugging, the light would be blinking. So it will be ideal to wait for at least 5 minutes for a router after plugging into the reinstate the configurations. Power on your PC and the network is reset now. That's all. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might help need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.